Hi, hello, and warm welcome everyone to my channel of Profound Insights, a journey of learning, inspiration, and discovery where you can learn, grow, and share. Before we proceed further, please click on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to get a notification of insight content, and this will encourage me to come up with more such videos. Please leave your thoughts in the comments below, and without further delay, let's jump right in. Hate your job but can't quit? Here is what to do right now. Introduction. I hear this all the time. I hate my job but can't quit. What do I do? If you feel stuck in a job you no longer enjoy, you are not alone. Many professionals stay in roles that drain them because of financial responsibilities, job security fears, or simply not knowing what to do next. But here's the good news, you don't have to stay miserable. Even if quitting isn't an option right now, there are real practical steps you can take today to improve your situation and start planning your next step. Acknowledge your feelings. You are not crazy. First, let's be clear. If you feel that you hate your job, your emotions are trying to tell you something. Ignoring them or forcing yourself to just be grateful won't fix the underlying problem. Instead, start by acknowledging how you feel and why. A former client was in this exact situation. She worked in corporate sales, and while her paycheck was steady, the toxic office politics and unrealistic expectations drained her. She told herself, I should be grateful I even have a job. But deep down, she felt depleted, uninspired, and resentful. Once she admitted to herself that something had to change, she felt a huge sense of relief. She realized she wasn't stuck forever, she just needed a plan. What you can do today, write down your biggest frustrations at work. Talk to a trusted friend or mentor about how you feel. Remind yourself that you have permission to want something better. Identify the real reason you feel trapped. Not all job dissatisfaction is the same. Before you make any drastic decisions, figure out exactly why you are unhappy. Is it the toxic work culture, the long hours, a lack of purpose? Think through it. When a former client did this exercise, she realized that while she didn't mind sales, the pressure and lack of autonomy were what drained her. That insight changed everything. Instead of assuming she had abandoned her entire career, she started looking for roles where she could make sales in a healthier work environment. Ask yourself, is it the people, workload, or lack of purpose that's making you miserable? Would a different company or industry improve your experience? Are you overworked, underpaid, or just bored? Once you identify the root cause, you will have clarity on what needs to change. Shift your perspective without sugarcoating it. If you hate your job, reframing your perspective can help you cope while you work on your exit plan. The former client started identifying little things she appreciated, like mentoring new hires and the flexibility of remote work. This small shift helped her stop dreading every single workday while focused on her next move. Try this. List 3 things your job gives you: steady paycheck, networking, skills, and so on. Reframe your job as a stepping stone, not a life sentence. Find small ways to make your workday better. Listen to music, take breaks, and set boundaries. Set boundaries and take back your time. One of the biggest mistakes people make when they are unhappy at work is pouring all their energy into their job, leaving them too exhausted to plan their next step. Former client used to stay late every night checking emails 24/7. But once she committed to changing her situation, she set strict work hours. Instead of giving 110% to a job, she planned to live she redirected that energy into networking and job searching. Ways to set boundaries. Stop checking emails after work hours. Say no to extra projects that don't serve your career goals. Leave on time and use that time for job searching, networking, or skill building. Start your exit strategy today. Even if you hate your job but can't quit it, that doesn't mean you can't plan your next move. Small, consistent steps add up. The former client started by updating her resume and reaching out to her network. She also took a digital marketing course to expand her skill set. Within 6 months, she landed a new job with better pay and work life balance without ever risking financial instability. What you can do now: update your resume and LinkedIn profile, start networking, reach out to old colleagues and attend industry events or connect with recruiters. Consider a side hustle or freelancing to test out new career paths. Take a career assessment to identify your best options. Invest in yourself and your future. If you feel like you are stuck, the best thing you can do is invest in your skills, mindset, and career growth. One of the best books I recommend on career reinvention is What Color is Your Parachute by Richard N. Bowles. It's a must read for anyone looking to transition into a new job or career. And if you want a step by step plan to discover your true calling and make a career change, check out this book. Coach yourself to a new career. It's packed with exercises to help you identify your passions, strengths, and ideal career path. For a more personalized approach, my career change kit includes in depth assessments to uncover your natural abilities, ideal work environment, and career directions. Final thoughts. You are not stuck forever. If you hate your job but can't quit, remember you have more control than you think. Small actions now lead to big changes later. You deserve work that excites and fulfills you. The former client didn't quit overnight. She built a plan, acted, and made her escape in a way that felt safe and empowering. You can do the same. Don't let another year go by feeling stuck. Start today, even if it's just one small step. I hope you found this video helpful. As we wrap up, remember the journey doesn't end here. Explore more videos at Profound Insights under the Career Conversations Navigating Success playlist. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support motivates me to create more videos. Until next time, stay inspired and keep reaching for the stars. Thank you.